Hello and welcome. My name is Daniel, the developer of the DEGENX ecosystem, and today I will show you how to create a time-limited campaign staking using our staking solutions. This can be found under the navigation point DeFi Tools Staking Solutions. First, we scroll all the way down until we reach the time-limited campaign staking section, then click on the Create Campaign Staking button. This button takes us to the form where we can focus on the relevant information that we need to enter in order to create a time-limited campaign staking. In this case, I will create a time-limited campaign staking on the Sonic Blaze testnet, and for that, I will first briefly switch the network. So, the network has been switched. We still need to add a token in the form to facilitate everything, specifically the staking token. I copy the address once for this. The address is entered in the first form field. Here, you must enter the staking token, that is, the token with which the stakers fill your staking contract in order for them to receive the rewards you want to distribute. In this case, it is my self-created staking token. If we want to use the exact same token as the reward token, meaning the token we want to pay out to the stakers, we also enter this address here below. If a different token is going to be rewarded, you would have to enter a different token here. After we have done that, we press the Create Free Campaign Staking button, and then we are prompted in our wallet to confirm. We have done that. We wait briefly for the transaction to be processed and receive confirmation that the protocol has been successfully created. After closing this modal, we are redirected to the management page of our campaign. That is our campaign contract. We find it here. Now, in the campaign management area, we have the opportunity to customize our campaign or our campaign contract, which allows us to create multiple campaigns. To do this, we select one. That means we can select a banner that will be displayed on our campaign page. We confirm everything with the Save button. Then we are prompted in our wallet to sign a message that confirms that we are the owner of this contract. Only then are we allowed to upload and update this image so it can be used on the respective campaign site. I confirm this. We wait a brief moment until the image is uploaded and are then prompted to wait another brief moment until the image is updated. This takes approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Are stored in the background until the process is complete. The image is stored in IPFS, which is the Interplanetary File System. This means that the assets we add to the contract shows a very decentralized characteristic. The image has now been updated. Now we can also add the logo. Of course, this can all happen simultaneously. Now I will add this logo, and of course Drake is fully on board with us using this protocol and says, sure, go ahead with this protocol. It will be awesome. We select this area and then press the Save button again, where we are once more asked to sign a message so the image can be uploaded. Then we allocate a reward, meaning we set the number of tokens we want to reward. Let's make it 100 tokens and the campaign duration should be 10 days. With a click on Create Now, we are prompted to confirm the creation of the campaign in the wallet. We wait for the confirmation to be processed by the network and receive the confirmation. Now we see the campaign here with a duration of 10 days and a distributed amount of 100 staking tokens. Here at the bottom, you can see from the created badge that this is a newly created campaign. We can now edit this campaign, modifying properties such as changing the name. With Boomshark number 1, we set the staking reward token amount to 123 and increase the campaign duration to 14 days. We update everything and confirm it in our wallet with a click on Confirm. And again, we wait for the network to process the transaction. Now it is updated and we see 123 staking tokens within 14 days. We can also delete this campaign with a click on the delete button. However, we will not do that in this case. We open the campaign and make it available for campaign participants. We click on Open Campaign. The information we have entered in the campaign is displayed there again. We can make final adjustments. We'll do that here once. We set the staking token reward amount to 1,234, set the campaign duration back to 10 days, and confirm everything in our wallet. By confirming this, however, we are prompted to directly deposit the staking reward amount into the contract. This means the tokens are directly stored in the campaign and are visible to everyone to show that the tokens to be distributed are actually there. With a click on Confirm, we not only confirm the creation of the campaign, but also approve the amount that we essentially need to deposit. This means we grant the staking contract the capability to transfer the tokens. So now we have deposited 1,234 tokens. Wait for the network to process the transaction, and then the whole thing is done. Here we see that we do not have any staked tokens yet, that the estimated annual percentage rate is still at 0 because no deposits have been made, and we can visit the campaign page. Now we see the campaign page with the statement, stake your tokens and earn a high annual percentage yield in the respective tokens. Here we also see how much stake is held by each user, meaning if you were to go here, your stake would be visible if you had deposited something. You would see the current annual percentage yield based on the tokens to be distributed, the duration of the campaign, and the stakes already made. Here is the indicator that it is open for deposit. That means it shows that this campaign is currently accepting deposits. Here I will simply add 1,234 tokens now. And we will have to confirm these in our wallet once again so that they can be transferred. It takes a brief moment for the two confirmations to go through. And now we receive the notification that the 1,234 tokens have been deposited. We see here a very high annual percentage yield amount. This is because we have only a 10-day duration with 1,234 tokens being distributed. These are then, of course, calculated with the annual percentage yield. And here in this context, 9. Billions, trillions, 9 million, 9.7 trillion %. Now I will deposit 10,000 again. Then we will see that the APY value slightly normalizes once enough has been deposited. That means we confirm the deposit once again. And we will see that the APY immediately becomes a bit lower when we deposit more. So now the APY is at 4,388. It's pretty cool. Now we just need to get more people into staking so that they can enjoy the rewards. In the lower area, you can see exactly which staking token and which address is behind the staking token. Then, how many tokens are generally staked. Here at the top, we see that these are the staking tokens of the respective user. Below, we see the total number of staked tokens for the whole campaign. Here, we also see how many campaign tokens are locked and will be paid out. And here you can see at the end how many have actually been rewarded. At the moment, nothing has been rewarded yet. We can also withdraw everything, but that's not important in this context for now. To manage the campaign, there is a link at the bottom of each campaign page called Manage Campaign. Click on it and we will get our management interface for the campaign back. Here we see the staked tokens. The current APR, which is estimated based on the deposits and distributed tokens, is at 400%. The APY calculated from this is 4,388%. We can start the campaign by clicking on Start Campaign. We will then be prompted to confirm in the wallet that we want to start the campaign. We do that, wait a moment for the transaction to be processed, and now we see that the campaign has started. Here we see how many tokens are currently being distributed, how long the duration is, and here again, which rewards have been distributed. How many have been claimed can be seen here. Since it hasn't been done yet, we'll ignore that for now. I'll check it again shortly. Here you can see from the badge that the campaign is running, which is also evident as the rewards are being counted up and the time is being counted down. We can visit our campaign page. The campaign page has the following features. The staker can see their currently received rewards. Here below, you can see the total stake. That does not change. Here are all the data we had before, which I just showed you, and then how many tokens have been rewarded in total. Then we see the information about when the campaign ends. That is in 9 days, 23 hours and 58 minutes. I refresh the page and claim the rewards. So we can also see them in the management interface. I claim my rewards. Click on Confirm. The whole amount is being paid out to me. Here you can see 0.1099 staking tokens rewarded. Now we go to the management area to check how many have been rewarded. Here we see 0.110 tokens have already been rewarded and 0.137 have already been distributed. When the campaign is completed, the campaign is initially available so that everyone can collect their tokens. From the moment it is collected, people can withdraw and claim until everything is paid out. As long as there are still some tokens in the contract or in the campaign and they are allocated, meaning until everyone has claimed and withdrawn, this campaign will remain visible here. At a certain point, it is possible to remove the campaign so that it is no longer listed here. However, this is only possible once all the tokens have been claimed and withdrawn. That's all from my side. Thank you for your attention and I wish you a nice day.